Today's class is about national political parties. So we saw there are two types of political parties in India, such as national political parties and regional political parties. So we'll see what is national political parties, or what are the criteria for a party to be considered as a national political parties. So here we'll see a registered party is recognized as a national party only if it fulfills any one of the three conditions or three criteria listed below. First one is a party should win 2% of seats in the Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states. Then at a general election to Lok Sabha or Legislative Assembly, the party polls 6% of votes in any 4 or more states, and in addition it wins 4 Lok Sabha seats. A party gets recognition as a state party in 4 states. So these 3 were the criteria, and anyone should be fulfilled for a party to be considered as national party. Some of the major national political parties are Indian National Congress, BJP, CPI, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Bahujan Samaj Party, Nationalist Congress Party, All India Trinamool Congress, and National People's Party. So now we analyze briefly about the national political parties. First, we will discuss about Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 by Alan Octavian Hume. At that time, it was not a political party. But it was a political organization successfully guided in the freedom struggle of India. Later on, it acted as a political party and dominated Indian political scene for 4 decades as a single majority party in 1952 general election, 1957 general election, 1962 general election, 1967 general election. Then in 1969, Congress splits into 2 other parties known as Congress Sangathan and Congress Indira, and in 1971 Congress Indira captured the majority votes or seats. Gradually the Congress divided and several parties emerged like Samajwadi Party, Lokdal, Socialist Party, Utkal Congress, Tamil Manila Congress, Trinamool Congress, Nationalist Congress Party, etc. And from 2004 to 2014, Congress made alliances with UPA coalition and formed government in center. The symbol of Congress political party is hand farm. Then second national political party or second major national political party is Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP had its birth in 1980 as a successor of old Jana Sangha. In 1951, Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee founded the Bharatiya Janasangh to make India a political, social, and economic democracy on the basis of Bharatiya Sanskriti and Maryada. In 1952, when the Janasangha secured 3 seats in the center as well as state election, the Election Commission recognized it as a national political party. In 1977, it made alliances with Janata Party and its member also became the minister in center. So, in April 1980, the allied Janasangha and Janata Party changed their name as BJP. It was in power for 13 days in 1996, 13 months in 1998. From 1999 to 2004 for 5 years and 2014 to till now. The symbol of the political party is symbol of the BJP or Bharatiya Janata Party is lotus flower. And here the supporter of BJPs are Hindus, educated middle class, youths, etc. And the main ideology of the party is to establish Ram Rajya, transparent and corruption-free administration in India. The next major national political party is Communist Party of India. So we see Communist Party of India. The Communist Party of India, it emerged in India after the success of Socialist Revolution of 1917 in Russia, and following this or influenced by this revolution, many socialist labor organizations were formed in India. And in 1924, some such organizations held a joint conference at Kanpur and formed the Communist Party of India. The supporters of Communist Party of India are agricultural, industrial labor class as well as among the weaker sections of Indian society. The next we'll see Communist Party of India, Marxist. Here we saw that the Communist Party was splitted in the year 1900. Communist Party of India was splitted in the year 1964 and Communist Party of India Marxist came into existence. So we'll see how the split or party defection occurred. In the last 1950, internal disputes or internal conflicts came into develop among its members over the issue of the question of support for Soviet communism versus Chinese communism. It means in the late 1950s, the internal disputes came to develop. For internal disputes arises among the member of Communist Party of India regarding the issue of question of support for Soviet communism or Chinese communism. In 1962, when the China attacked India, many members protested and those who does not support or those who does not want to protest formed a different party, namely Communist Party of India Marxist in 1964. And the main reason or the two main reason of split in Communist Party of India was first the nature of relations of the Indian Communist with the Soviet and Chinese Communist. Second one is the nature of relation with the Congress which was in power in India. As a leftist party, the CPM or Communist Party of India Marxist stands strengthening the democratic system and in favor of constitutional reform, preserving the unity and integrity of the nation. The election symbol of Communist Party Marxist is sickle, hammer and star. The next national political party is Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party had its birth on 14th April 1984 when the two interest groups, namely Backward and Minority Community Employee Federation BAMCEF and Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangha Samiti DS4 Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangha Samiti DS4 get integrated or get united under the leadership of Sri Kansiram and form the Bahujan Samaj Party. The party described itself as the sole representative of Bahujan Samaj, constituted by scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, socially and economically backward class, Dalits and employees. While identifying itself with Dalit Shoshit Samaj, the Bahujan Samaj Party strongly criticizes the Manuism because Manuism stands for higher class. And from the Bahujan Samaj Party, Sri Kansiram and Miss Mayawati, they hold that the BSP is totally committed to the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Bahujan Samaj. The election symbol of Bahujan Samaj Party is elephant. The next national political party is Nationalist Congress Party. Nationalist Congress Party. This Nationalist Congress Party or NCP was formed on 25th May 1999 when the three leaders of Indian National Congress were expelled out of the party for going against the rights of Italian-born Sonia Gandhi to become the leaders of Indian National Congress and formed a new party. Sharad Pawar, P.N. Sangma and Tariq Anwar were the three leaders who were involved. And in order to form a new party, thousands of their supporters, like these three leaders, Sharad Pawar, P.A. Sangma and Tariq Anwar, these three leaders, they were expelled from Indian National Congress, and thousands of his supporters, they gathered at number 6 Gurudwara Rakabganj Road, New Delhi, and this started Red Letter Day, or this day was a memorable day for the country, holding up the tradition of Congress leader like Dadabhai Naroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Ani Besant, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and others. They formed the new party, namely Nationalist Congress Party, and Sharad Pawar was made president. Tariq Anwar and P.A. Sangma were general secretary of Nationalist Congress Party, and the election symbol of the Nationalist Congress Party is an analog clock that reads 10 to the 10. The main aim of Nationalist Congress Party is the leaders like President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Governor, they should be purely Indian or they should be purely Indian born. Then next we'll see 7th major national political party is All India Trinamool Congress. All India Trinamool Congress. Mamata Banerjee founded All India Trinamool Congress in West Bengal on 1st January 1998 as a breakaway faction of the Indian National Congress. Currently, it is the 4th largest party in the Lok Sabha with 34 seats. On 2nd September 2016, All India Trinamool Congress is declared as a national party, and the party symbol or the election symbol of All India Trinamool Congress is Jora Ghas Phool. The last national political party is National People's Party, NPP. National People's Party. It is founded by P.A. Sangma. After his expulsion from the Nationalist Congress Party in July 2012, it was accorded National Party status on 7th June 2019. The election symbol of the party is book, and the significance for the same is that the party believes that only literacy and education can empower the weaker section, and this is the first political party from Northeast India to have attained the status of national political party.